warning for Lake Michigan near shore and open waters to mid-lake from Port Washington, Wisconsin to Wind Point, Wisconsin until 5:15 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles southeast of Port Washington to near Wind Point, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. A special marine warning may eventually be required when these storms reach the nearshore waters.